So check it out. I went to a train show in Hemlock, New York today, up at the fairgrounds, and I found this little Mopac Marx 70-ton switcher. And also had the caboose and a few other cars had broken couplers that the seller threw in for $10. So I thought that was a good deal, so I scarfed it up. And this switcher, I believe, was made during the Quaker Oats period. I think it was one of those Great American Trains sets that they had. They didn't sell very well, so it makes this one a little more rare. And I'm not much of a four-wheel plastic guy, but it does have kind of a whimsical charm to it, and so I'm not against it. First sets I ever had were these four-wheel plastic. So I replaced the missing parts. It was missing the handrail as well as the horn. So I went for some Marx originals because it's in such a nice shape. I decided to keep it all original. And the only thing that isn't original is I did put a 19-volt LED for the headlight. It's a 3mm. It fits right inside that lens, so there's no damage or anything. I use some of the fun tack to hold it up in there. Then I had to work on the motor. The motor didn't run, so it has a one-way motor in it. And so first thing I do is I polish the wheels, polish the center rail pickup. And then there's a couple of troubleshooting spots that I thought I'd point out. And that's right here. Make sure the axle's clean. Make sure these little copper wipers are clean. There's one on each side. And then after I get that all clean, I put a little drop of rail zip on each axle, and that gives it really good contact. And then the other trouble spot, I hope I can show it in the camera, is right here. There's a little post, and that post is where the center rail pickup gives power to the field coil. And so you have to make sure this little post is clean, and also make sure the wire, the field coil wire, is clean. If you notice inside here, you'll see a little copper plate that comes from the center rail pickup up to there. And you can add a little drop of rail zip there too if you want to, and then put your clamp back on tightly. And the motor should be good to go. This one certainly was. It runs really good. So thought I'd take it for a spin, and you can check it out. Here we go. Well, also don't forget to lubricate your armature. Do it on both sides, on this side as well as the side with the geared side. And to clean the wheels, I use one of these little brushes with my Dremel. You can buy them in bulk from eBay. That's what I do. I'm not sure what cars came with this set. I just grabbed whatever four-wheel plastic ones that were in reach here. I'm not much of a set guy, so. But as you can see, this one runs really good even at slow speeds. That rail zip really does a lot to improve the contact. And you can also use it on your passenger cars, put it right on the rivet that holds the truck on, and you can put it on the pickup shoe or your roller pickups, and that'll give them better contact. Because after years of sitting around, they get corrosion or rust on them. Some places you just can't get in to clean it, but the rail zip will really help. And we'll pick it up on this time around. We'll follow it around a little bit. People have asked where I get the tin buildings from. They actually came from QVC. I think it was Harry London candies were in them. They don't offer those anymore, which is a shame. Then a lot of my buildings out here are from Valerie Parr Hill, her gingerbread series that I really like. As you can see, I have my Christmas theme all year round. And the buildings from Valerie also have timers, so they stay on for 4 hours, so you're battery operated. I'll set the camera back down. Alright, I got their one-way motor really running good. I've been wanting one of these for a while. I always get outbid on eBay and finally found one that, with an offer I couldn't refuse. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord. Like I said, I'm not much of a four-wheel plastic guy, but these do have kind of a whimsical charm to them, so I'm glad I have one for my collection. God bless.